Hello, party people. Hello. It's Randee for Thunderhorse Descendant. Many of you know what this means. You got it. This is, let's take it out of here. This is a Candie Cooper order that I did. And I got a lot of orders over the Labor Day sale. So these are a couple of the things that I ordered. So we will jump right into this one. So this was a make-along. It was from June 3rd, and I think I got this one, I think they were like 30 or 40% off, I can't remember. And so I hadn't seen this one before, or if I did, I didn't realize it was a make-along. Moral of the story is it was kind of a surprise. So, but I really like this. These will make some super cute earrings with the little charms and stuff. So I got those. In here, I got a couple of wood pieces. And so if you're not familiar with Candie Cooper, she is on... she does Facebook. She does Facebook every day. So you can run over to her channel and she does them, I think it's at like 2 o'clock, 1 o'clock Central Time, I think. And then she also has an Etsy store where she sells, you know, some of the components that she uses. So these I thought were really cool. They're just going to be earrings, or they could also be pendants. When I was at the Minnesota Bead Bazaar, I took one of her classes there, and she showed us basically how to like kind of Mod Podge little decorative things onto these, and you can do a lot with these. You can paint them, and you can burn them with your wood burner and do all kinds of stuff. So they had those on there, so I snapped up some of those. And then let's see if I can get that back in there, maybe. And then this guy, I really like this. This is a wood piece. I think she has them on her site. I think they're like $7. This is a wood piece, and it's just very rustic to me. And this is a metal, and I don't know exactly the goings-ons of this. I don't know if that's like glued on there or what, but I really think this is a nice, just like rustic piece. And you could deck it up if you wanted to, or you could just use like some super sparkly and stone beads and just call that a day. So I really like this a lot. Now, this one is super good. So I had made an order before, and I had gotten this same exact little package with the everything. And it had these components in there, and it just so happened that I don't know if I think I forgot which one I had ordered the first time, and I had ordered another one, but I ended up getting this same one because I ordered two of the same. So this is what it looks like, and it just so happens that I have the first one that I made on right now, and I'm going to take it off so I can show it to you guys what I did with mine. So these are the exact components that I originally got in her little kit, and this one is from May 15th, 2020, and it came with these exact components. This bead is a little different, but as you can see, all those components are on here, and that's how I did the wire wrap. Let's move you in a little closer. And so this is actually an African bead, a bone bead, some just a little gold, and then I'm not sure what's going on with this little pink one, but anyway, so I patina painted my circle. I only did the one side. I guess I could have done both. But I just did a little patina paint on there. And I did add this tiger skin crystal to the end. You could add anything to the end, really. And I just put this guy on a 24-inch chain and just kind of using it as a pendant. I really like it. So that's just an example of some of the things that you can do with her components, and she does do live videos, so if you get a chance, you can swing over there. If you guys like these types of videos and you like to see what I'm getting and what I'm making with my stuff, please give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment if you have any suggestions on things you would like to see. But other than that, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.